Hello students. Students are the best teachers. You know? Yes. बच्चे जो होते हैं, जो विद्यार्थी होते हैं, वो काफ़ी अच्छे शिक्षक बन सकते हैं या शिक्षक होते हैं, ऐसा एक महान इंसान ने कहा है. एंड ही वॉज नन अनदर देन अब्राहम लिंकन, जिन्होंने 58 टाइम्स इलेक्शन में खड़े रहने के बावजूद भी उनको हार मिली थी. बट ही नेवर गिव अप. यस, नेवर गिव अप. उसने 58 टाइम्स हार के भी 59th टाइम अपना चुनावी पत्र भरा, वो खड़ा हुआ चुनाव में, एंड फाइनली ही वॉन दैट बैटल. यू नो, he was a president of America. So let's move ahead in the world of Abraham Lincoln with this unit. Let us begin. Abraham Lincoln, born on 12th Feb 1809 and passes away on 15th of April 1865. He was the 16th president of United States of America. He served as a president from 4th March 1861 until 15th April 1865. He was re-elected in 1864. उनका चुनावी जो वर्ष था वो 2 बार हुआ. आज तक के यूनाइटेड नेशन के इतिहास में कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि लगातार 2 वर्ष तक एक ही प्रधानमंत्री रहा हो. एवरी ईयर दे गिव द चांस टू अ न्यू पर्सन, बट अब्राहम लिंकन वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन who have been got the chance for twice. Abraham Lincoln was born as a log cabin near Hogville, Kentucky. He had a very little formal schooling and was mostly self-educated. He eventually became a lawyer and a Republican politician. He earned the nickname Honest Abe. Lincoln married Mary Todd in 1842. They had 4 sons, but only one, Robert, survived childhood. अब ये कहानी बता रही है अब्राहम लिंकन के पर्सनल लाइफ से. उन्होंने बताया कि अब्राहम लिंकन की परवरिश तो अच्छे से हुई, लेकिन एजुकेशन इतनी नहीं हुई थी. स्कूली शिक्षण उनको प्राप्त इतना नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन स्वनिर्भर बनके उन्होंने अपने आप को एडुकेट किया था. दैट मीन्स ही हैड बीन सेल्फ एडुकेटेड हिमसेल्फ. इन हिज फैमिली ही हैड 4 kids, but hardly only one had been survived. The country was having problems regarding the practice of slavery. The white people owned large farms in the southern states. Blacks were brought from Africa to work on these farms. They were kept as slaves. The people of the northern states were against this practice of slavery and wanted to abolish it. ऐसी भूमि वो चाहते थे जहाँ पे काले गोरे का भेद नहीं हो. He wanted that his nation should be फ्री फ्रॉम द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑफ ब्लैक एंड वाइट पीपल. पुराने टाइम में अंग्रेज जो थे वो कालों लोगों, जो अफ्रीकन्स थे, उन पे अत्याचार करते थे. और उन्होंने अपने देश के यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑफ अमेरिका के लोगों को भी एक मैसेज दिया था, इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, वी आर नॉट अलाउिंग यू टू बी अ सिटीजन ऑफ योर कंट्री. सो इन दिस वे ही हैड बीन गिवन अ मैसेज, don't do discrimination of anyone. Coming to the last part of the chapter, this is what the Constitution of the America is based on the equality of humans. Therefore, there was no place for slavery in the country. Lincoln was elected president in November 1860. He wanted to solve the problem of slavery. During Lincoln's presidency, the southern states seceded from the Union because they were against the abolition of slavery. And on the other hand, Lincoln was the northern states were against slavery. 6 weeks after becoming President of the Civil War began this put the unity of the country in danger. In this war, the northern states which stayed in the Union fought the southern states called the Confederacy. The southern states were prepared to form another country, but Abraham Lincoln wanted states to be united. अपनी जिंदगी को दांव पे लगा के उन्होंने अपने देश के 2 टुकड़े होने नहीं दिए. कुछ लोग मुल्क के ये चाहते थे कि कुछ एरिया में सिर्फ काले लोग रहें, कुछ लोग अपने मुल्क के ये कहते थे कि सिर्फ गोरे लोग वहाँ पे राज करें, लेकिन इसका बंटवारा होने नहीं दिया. और इसका श्रेय, यानी कि इसका जो पूरा का पूरा जो रोल मॉडल था इस काम के पीछे, एंड दैट वाज अ पर्सन हु वाज नन अनदर देन अब्राहम लिंकन. व्हाट इज बीन गिवन लास्ट मैसेज इन दिस चैप्टर, The Civil War lasted from 1861 until 1865. Abraham Lincoln faced many problems. He wanted to preserve the unity of the country at any cost. Finally, a civil war broke out between the northern and the southern state. He fought the war bravely and declared, a nation cannot exist half free and half slave. He won the war and kept the country united. On Jan 1, 1863, Lincoln issued an Emancipation Proclamation, which eventually led to the freeing of all slaves in the USA. During the Civil War, Lincoln gave many speeches, including the Gettysburg Addresses and a short speech in which he stated how a country must be dedicated to human freedom in order to survive. Lincoln was re-elected president in 1864 by George defeating Abe McClellan. He was not against anybody and wanted everybody to live in a peace. He made sincere efforts to heal the people's wound caused by the war. In 1862, Lincoln declared that then from onwards all slaves would be free. This made him very popular among the people. Yes, अंत भला तो सब भला. जो उसने ठाना था, जो उसने बोला था, वो उसने कर बताया. अपने मुल्क को गुलामी प्रथा से दूर निकालने वाला, उनको दूर करने वाला, उनका दोस्त, उनका यार, उनका माए बाप और कोई नहीं था, वो अब्राहम लिंकन था. In short, Abraham Lincoln was a president as well as feminist. He was helper, social worker and role model for the upcoming generation of United States of America, who had resolved the mystery of every problem, discrimination, slavery and brotherhoodness. This was a moral of the chapter. In this video, we are going to see a small short movie about the Abraham Lincoln and his co-workers, how they had battlefield the conquering of the America and resolve the problem of the America. So, till on, goodbye.